it's Manisha.
And Shirley from Make It Shine, the Money Podcast.
On today's podcast, we share popular traditions about Chinese New Year and money.
Yes, what you should do, wear, and eat to attract luck and more money, money, money.
Keep listening to learn more.
This little light of mine, yeah, I'm gonna make it shine, make it shine, make it shine, make it shine.
Manisha, Sunling Vlog.
Gong hei fat choi.
I love Chinese New Year. It's a time for family, food, and of course, money. It's also a second chance to restart the year if the first few weeks of January didn't go as planned.
I do too. One of my favorite memories is when I visited you in Singapore during Chinese New Year.
Yes.
Do you remember?
Yeah, you're right. We have so many fun memories and pictures from that time. We should find them and post it on the Make It Shine Money Instagram account.
One of my favorite memories was when we were in the mall and the line dancers were performing from store to store.
Yeah, I know which one you're talking about. The one with the orange pieces, right?
Yes. The line dancers, they did this performance, and at the end, they went up to a tray of oranges, and there was a red envelope tucked in the tray. And so they cradled it for a few seconds, and then all of a sudden, the dancers backed away, and on the table, they had peeled the orange, and not just that, they actually carefully arranged each slice of orange into a display of numbers.
So you're supposed to buy the lottery with those lucky numbers. Those numbers have been blessed by the Chinese New Year spirits.
I'm still amazed at how they did it. And I'm like, did they have another orange under the suit? Did they have it already peeled? I mean, it's amazing. And then these are some fantastic memories. We were so young back then.
We're still young.
Sure.
So the Lunar New Year is celebrated by 1.5 billion people around the world. And it's a celebration that lasts for 15 days. So this year, in 2023, it starts on January 22nd. And the Wall Street Journal reported that in 2021, $127 billion were spent specifically during this period on things like food, clothes, gifts, and travel.
That's amazing. And we'll get into the specifics of red pockets later, but the gifting of money is an important ritual here. And nowadays, with friends and family spread across the world, the ability to send digital red pockets is actually super important. So just last year, over 5 billion WeChat red pockets were sent.
See, this is why I get so excited about Chinese New Year. We don't talk in millions anymore. We talk in billions.
Billions.
And before the new year starts, there are some rituals you need to know about to maximize your luck and fortune.
Yes, we've got a curated list here to share. Shirley, since you are Chinese, how much of this do you follow?
All of it, of course. I'm not risking anything. I'm doing it all.
I love it. Nothing to chance. Okay, so to maximize our fortune for the new year, what are the things that we need to do before the new year?
Well, cleaning is a must. So you can clean as much as you want, but don't clean on the first day, which is January 22nd. So this is because you don't want to sweep away any good luck.
Got it. Okay, I could definitely do that one. Also, I know you're not supposed to shower on the first lunar day. Is that true?
Yep. Because, again, you don't want to wash the luck away. Also, get your haircuts before Chinese New Year as well. The reason is you don't want to snip away any of your new luck.
So now that our homes are all cleaned up and we have fresh haircuts, what do we have to do next? Some shopping?
That's right. First of all, we all need new outfits from head to toe.
Love it.
Underwear as well. And you need to wear it on the first day of the new year to symbolize a new start.
Love it. And I think it should be in the lucky color red, right? Because red represents good luck and wards off evil. In fact, it's not just red clothing that's popular, but a lot of red decoration, right? Like lanterns, paintings, or fake firecracker decorations.
Yes. And here's the most exciting part for many. We have to talk about the red envelopes.
Yes, I've received a few of those from my Chinese friends, including you.
Yep. So those are called a few different things. You may hear them be referred to as red envelope, red packet, red pocket, or in Mandarin, it's your hongbao or laixi in Cantonese. Usually there's a really beautiful design on the front as well, and many companies actually design their own and give it out to their clients. And it's really great for branding. So anyways, when you get one, you'll find out that there's money inside.
Okay, so there's some interesting customs around giving out red envelopes that I didn't know, right? So for instance, not everybody gets one or gives them out. So traditionally, married people give them out, and the recipients are kids and unmarried single people.
Yeah, but nowadays, the guidelines around red pockets are loosely followed. And if you've lived in Asia, it's pretty common to have a stack of these envelopes ready to hand them out to your friends, family, colleagues, acquaintances. There's a lot of well wishes shared during the exchange of it. It's really nice, warm feeling.
Oh, I agree. So the proper way to receive the red envelope is always with two hands, and don't open it in front of the giver. That's just tacky. Yep. And also there's a question of how much you put in the red envelope.
Well, that ranges. So you put a little bit more for close friends and family, and for acquaintances, I mean, it's up to you, but it's really more of a symbolic exchange.
Okay, so if the amount of the envelope ends in 8, that's extra good luck,
Yes.
right?
So the Chinese love the number 8 because it sounds like the word fortune in Chinese. But of course, avoid any amount ending with 4 because that's unlucky because it sounds like the word die or death in Chinese.
Actually, my favorite part is what we eat at Chinese New Year. And I think we're nearing the 10th anniversary of your Chinese New Year dinner party. Let's talk about all the delicious food we should eat to maximize our luck and fortune.
Okay, there's a lot. So anything shaped or looks like gold. So dumplings,
Yum.
spring rolls, steamed buns, fruits like mandarin oranges. Eat it all and you'll get rich. And there's also fish. So you serve a whole with the head and eyes, the tail, and it represents prosperity and that there's always a surplus.
Yes, and another popular one is glutinous rice cakes, right?
Yeah.
So in Chinese, the literal translation of cake is getting higher every year.
Yep.
Oh, wait, and what about the prosperity toss? It's easily one of my favorite memories at your Chinese New Year dinners.
Yeah, mine too.
Yeah, you were saying it's not widely practiced, but really popular across Singapore and Malaysia.
Yeah, so in Singapore, we did the prosperity toss everywhere. So at work with my team, with multiple business partners and vendors, family, friends. So you're eating a lot, like really nonstop during this period. So in the prosperity toss, there's about 10 to 12 ingredients and spices like radish, carrot, ginger, sesame seeds, pomelo, lime juice, and it's all spread out on the table. And there's a specific order where you combine each ingredient into a large platter. So as you add each ingredient to the platter, there's a different blessing you have to say. And once you're done adding all the ingredients, you have to mix it.
Yes, this is the best part. So everyone around the table joins in. So imagine 20 people gathered in front of the table with our chopsticks. And we shout out blessings and goals we won for ourselves or each other like, I'm buying my dream car. I'm going to run a marathon. I'm getting a promotion. I'm going to be a millionaire, whatever.
Yeah, and the louder we shout and the higher we toss the salad, the stronger the blessings will be. Just go for it, right? So this is the moment you want to declare it all on the table. So when we finally lost our voices from shouting and the salad is all over the table, now we get to eat what's left.
And it's actually delicious. It's like light and refreshing. It's actually a really amazing appetizer.
Okay, so I think we've got the highlights down. So before Chinese New Year, clean your house from top to bottom, and that's to get ready for a fresh start. And on day 1, don't shower because you don't want to wash your luck away, and make sure you wear new and red colored clothes, including your underwear, and put out lots of red decorations, eat lots of dumplings, spring rolls, and other lucky foods.
And of course, get your red pockets prepared. And if you are one of the lucky ones and receive a red pocket this Chinese New Year, spend it wisely. We hope you get a chance to celebrate with loved ones and have a happy and prosperous New Year.
We hope you enjoyed this episode, and please share it with a friend. And don't forget to make it shine.
This little light of mine, yeah, I'm gonna make it shine, make it shine, make it shine, make it shine.
Any views or opinions represented in this podcast are personal and belong solely to the podcast creators and do not represent those of people, institutions, or organizations that the owner may or may not be associated with in professional or personal capacity unless explicitly stated.